While I can't believe that I'm actually saying this, America, right now, is in a daily struggle against tyranny. And in this breaking story, it is finally time to punch, counterpunch, and finish off some of this abject, treasonous autocracy BS. And that's what's going on in this breaking story, because Donald Trump and his Tesla buddy, Elon Musk, literally are going to have to be stopped by us and a gauntlet of us and the judicial system in this country to make sure we have a country left by, Trump's first 100 days. And so I'm going to show you that story in just a few seconds, but let's take a quick listen in terms of what the journey down to this road we're on right now and what Rachel Maddow and also elected representatives from Maryland and USAID had to say about it yesterday. Take a quick listen.
Then there's accessing government information and records and who Elon Musk is having do that with him. How legal is this?
It is very likely illegal. I should say the White House says no laws are being broken, that they're carefully complying with everything. It is very difficult to imagine that laws aren't being broken vis-a-vis access to really confidential personal privacy information. Problem is that Congress isn't going to do anything about it. The Justice Department isn't, for now, going to do anything about it. And it's very possible that they're putting personal data on private proxy servers and that those servers don't have the same kind of security protections that some of the government servers do. We just don't know.
And we do all of this with less than 1% of the national budget. I have been so incredibly proud of the work that I and my teams have accomplished working on USAID programs. We are so lucky to live in a country where the government was created for the people, by the people. And I will not be silenced. You will not be silenced.
Because this is about taking back our country and doing it now. So it has nothing to do with government efficiency and everything to do with something that's going to harm our national interests. In fact, if you talk to American military leaders, they will tell you that AID is an essential and cost-effective part of our overall foreign policy and national security strategy.
One of the things that happened today happened at the General Services Administration, GSA. In this video conference with Musk's guy, the employees there at GSA responded, quote, "His assurances did not appear to work. Employees in the division then rained down spoon emojis. Spoon emojis. Oh, you want us to take your fork in the road? Oh, you do? You think we should take this fork in the road? How about fork you?"
Yeah, I'm with you, Rachel. How about fork you? You bet. And in this breaking story, finally, a D.C. court, by urgency from also the AFL-CIO, has shut Elon Musk down. Take a listen. Breaking new lawsuit. The AFL-CIO is asking a federal judge to block unelected billionaire Elon Musk's Doge from accessing Department of Labor systems, which the union warns could give Musk sensitive information about investigations into his company. And that has led to this breaking news. Court blocks Elon Musk team from government computer systems report. The U.S. District Court of Washington, D.C. ruled Thursday morning that Elon Musk and his team of coders have been blocked from further accessing government databases. Judge Colleen Collar-Cotelli approved the temporary restraining order outlining the conditions. Collar-Cotelli previously served on the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Court, FISA, and was appointed by the late conservative Supreme Court Justice William Rehnquist. Norm Eisen posted on Blue Sky, in quotes, "A big win by us at the State Democracy Defenders Action and our partners, including Public Citizen." The case alleged that Musk and his team had access to the personal information of government employees and others without having the proper security clearance and congressional oversight. The ruling barred, in quotes, any person who is an employee but not a special government employee of the Department of Treasury and who has a need for the record or system of records in the performance of their duties. This order shall remain in effect until such time as the court rules on the plaintiff's forthcoming preliminary injunction motion, the ruling said. On a personal note, Elon, take that and shove it up your Tesla. And while there is no question that that's an absolute victory, in no way disregarding it, not minimizing it, anything. Let's be clear about something. I know at this point you've probably heard at least some pieces of this full story, or you've heard all of it, or feel you've heard all of it. But let's understand something. We're talking about a private citizen, even if he wasn't a billionaire. What if he was just some fraternity dude from a university with a band of kids who were coders? And by the way, when you're talking about what you don't want done in a computer system and programming and use the word coders, that's actually the word for hackers. Because coders and hackers, when they're experts, are the same thing. It just depends on what their intent is. And the fact that Musk and his coders, merry band of clown lips, got in there, they were in there long enough. We have no idea, absolutely no idea, whether or not they downloaded things, copied things, pushed things to a proxy server, and even on top of that, more notably, don't lose your mind, but understand, they could have built in programming backdoors that no one else knows about, that they can access, distribute, in other words, use as political leverage to try and force the U.S. government to do things in the future. Holy crap balls, folks. So yes, this is a win for now. But unfortunately, when I tell you to stay frosty, this entire country has to stay frosty. Because the truth of the matter is, on the popular national vote, Donald Trump only won by barely more than 1%. He doesn't have a mandate. And holy crap, we have to stop this man every single day at every turn. But please, keep smiling, keep breathing, hang in there. I'm with you.